Fiorentina coach Lionel Scaloni will gonna set his team in 4-3-3 formation. Goalkeeper is Emiliano Martinez from Aston Villa. Right back he is Nahuel Molina from Udinese. Centre back is Christian Romero from Atalanta FC. He is another centre back. He is General Nicolas Otamendi. Left back is from Ajax Amsterdam Nicolas Tagliafico. Central defensive midfielder is Guido Rodriguez from Real Betis. His new signing of Atletico Madrid central midfielder Rodrigo de Paul. Another centre midfielder is Giovanni Lo Celso from Tottenham Hotspur. His left winger Nico Gonzalez, new signing of Fiorentina, and right winger is none other than LM10 Lionel Messi from Barcelona, and finally centre forward is Lautaro Martinez from Inter Milan.